Today's sticky note fact is that the first modern escalator was patented in 1892. The escalator, invented by Jesse W. Reno, made its debut at Coney Island in 1896, but by the early 1900s, escalators became a staple in department stores and subway stations, helping people move between floors more easily. Here's a fun fact. The first escalator at a London Underground station was installed in 1911 at Earl's Court, and they even hired a man with a wooden leg to ride it first to show how safe it was. How do you think the invention of escalators changed how people shopped or traveled in cities? What other inventions from the early 1900s made life easier? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.